I'm gonna give you 5 ways to piss off a whiskey drinker. Let's go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. I'm Doc Martinez, and we're gonna go over some don'ts, things that you should not do while drinking whiskey or drinking whiskey with your friends if you don't wanna rub that nerve on them or kind of piss them off. First, when they give you a drink to try, you should never. Deanna, I'm so glad you're finally trying whiskey. Now, this one is one of my favorite pours. I'm so glad you're finally trying it. I'm gonna make sure to give you a good serving of this so you can actually taste everything and have all the flavors, you know?
No, I'm so excited. Like, look at how good that looks. Like, hold on, just give me a second. All right, well, thank you.
So, I'll give you this. After you tried it, you're welcome to drink it any way you want. I just don't recommend doing this in front of them. 2, remember, whiskey is made to sip and enjoy. Hey man, hey, thanks for the drink. Appreciate it. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. It is not tequila, so you should not shoot it. 3, now I know a lot of people like to enjoy their whiskey cooler, and some people put it in the freezer. But you really shouldn't. Why? Because yes, it does make it cooler, but it also really numbs the flavor. It takes away a lot of that flavor that you're trying to enjoy with that whiskey. So if it's a whiskey you want to enjoy and you're going to sip on it, you probably shouldn't put it in the freezer. Now, if you're going to mix with it, sure, that's probably one of the only ways that's acceptable. 4, come to a friend's house and ask, hey, which is your most expensive whiskey? Well, your friend's probably be nice enough and pull out that bottle for you, and he's probably going to hand it to you so that you can actually try it. But don't.
So, what's your most expensive and favorite whiskey?
Ooh, let me get that for you. I'd love for you to try it. So here you go, and here's a glass.
Well, thank you. Just try a pour or two. Nothing crazy, you know. I don't want to say anything crazy. We're just gonna, that's it. That was about a 1 ounce-ish pour, more or less. Maybe a tad more. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Well, at least you left the bottle. Number 5, please don't bring a friend over without asking and then taking them directly to the most expensive whiskey. Hey, are you sure your friend's okay with us being here drinking his liquor?
It's fine. I know the guy.
Ooh. Yeah, that one right there. I mean, they're on the top shelf for a reason.
I'm cute. Don't worry about it.
True. Yes, we love to share, but we like to share that with friends, and we want to be able to enjoy that journey with them. A lot of times what I like to do is invite them and see what they already like to drink, and then take them through a journey. Like, let's start here, see where their palate takes them, and try to lead them into some nicer whiskeys. And sometimes, yes, you might end up with some of those most expensive whiskeys, but I feel that is for the person who owns that whiskey to decide. So, what do you think? Those are my 5 easy ways to piss off a whiskey drinker. So let me know. Is there any that I left out? Was I wrong on any of these? Please let me know in the comments below. Now, I agree. Drink whiskey the way you like it and, enjoy it the way you like it. But also, try to enjoy that journey. Try that whiskey. Try going on that different path. Try letting your palate just taste it. And then, in the end, if you want, drink it the way you want for sure. Well, my friends, thank you for coming with me on another journey down my whiskey rabbit hole. To our next journey, my friends, cheers.